Well, hello everyone. Well, we have a new addition to the F-150. Can you guess what it is? That's right. That beautiful 12-inch display. I want to keep it protected, so a little cushion. So this is it here. Let's see how it works. Let's go install it. I want to protect this thing here. If it's anything like your cell phone, after a few years it's going to be scratched. I'm a working guy, so I might have some grit on my fingers and I don't want to scratch this. So we're going to give this a try. I've never ever put a protective screen on a screen. On my phones I have for the past 10 years, 8 years, but nothing like this. So I think maybe for what, $24 Canadian, it's October 2021. I figure what the heck, I can't go wrong. So let's give it a try. And it says compare the film and the screen. We will. Clean the screen with the wipe. Wipe dry with a lint-free cloth, and then use the dust remover sticker to clean the surface dust. And then use a suction cup to hold the corner to pinpoint the position. It should adhere. Oh, here it is. The installation auxiliary tools. Oh, hey. What do we got here? Oh, okay, oh boy, we got some goodies in here. So we got the white paper, the dust removal stickers, and the lint cloth. Okay. Okay, well, and I did wash my hands, so my hands are really good and clean and grease free, I hope. Let's give this a try. So first things first, it says make sure it will fit. Okay, what's this say? Please peel this off before installation. So is this the back side? I don't know. Yeah, I think it might be the back side. Already I can see some of my greasy fingerprints that I just brought this out of the box. Okay, so peel off this side. Is this the back side? Okay, let's get some light on the subject here. Let's see if this will fit. That's what I have to do. I got to match it up like that. Looks like it'll fit. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this perfectly clean. And I've only had this truck for about 400 kilometers. And I can see minute scratches in there with the light so close. So I think this is almost a must-have. So I can see scratches on it already. So I wish I would have done this since day one. Okay, so let's dry it off now with the lint-free cloth. Okay, let's install this. So I think this is probably the good side to stick to the. I'm gonna kind of just hold it like this. Okay, that installed pretty nice. Okay, yeah. Still works. Everything is good. Well, kind of glad I did it now, because I did see some scratches on it already, and like I said, I've only had it for 400 kilometers. So I highly recommend get a screen protector for your nice 12-inch screen. Get it on as soon as possible. Don't wait. So everything's still responsive. Everything's still working. That's nice. There. Well, I'm happy I did that. So there you go. Good luck with your F-150.